Hello there, I hope I find you well. In this lesson I'm gonna share with you Shona nouns that are related to landform or land features that are common in Zimbabwe. And I will start with the word for mountain. A mountain is called Gomo. Gomo. And a valley is called Mupata. Mupata. A dam is called Dziva. Dziva. That is a natural dam. A river is called Rwizi. Rwizi. And another name is Rukova. Rukova. An island is called Chitsuwa. Chitsuwa. A hill is called Gomo. Same as mountain, there's no distinction in Shona. A hill is just a small Gomo. An anthill is called Churu. Very common feature in Zimbabwe. And a desert is called Gwenga. Gwenga. A plain is called Bani. Bani. Here's a summary of the 9 words that we have covered. We said mountain is called Gomo. A mountain is called Gomo. Valley is Mupata. Dam is Dziva. River is Rwizi or Rukova. Island is Chitsuwa. Hill is Gomo. Anthill is Churu. Desert is Gwenga. Last but not least, plain. The plain is called Bani. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for those that have already subscribed. Until the next lesson, goodbye.